Who might you be? Heard there was a rubber dome that needs to be beat. Huh. In this town of mechs? Good luck finding a rubber dome around here. I mean, there is one. Where might I find him? Well, you can try, but the last rubber dome that beat him didn't turn out so good. Didn't do too well with that Granada V2. Where might I find him? Well, if you think you're up to the challenge, we'll be right over there. Good luck, you're gonna need it. Thanks, partner. Heard you got domes. Ah, another rubber dome trying to beat me, I see. Did you not see the last guy? What happened to him? Well, prepare to get domed. Like to see you try with my premium real feel. Doubt it can make a typing experience like mine. Well, we'll see. My turn. No one can beat my premium HHKB Topre switch. Hey guys, welcome to Nathan Types. Now in this review, we're going to be discussing the EPOMAKER Niz Plum x87. Stick around. The EPOMAKER NZ Plum x87 is like, it's using the same electrostatic dome switches that the HHKB has. It's kind of similar to them. I would almost call them knockoff, but they got some other features that are really cool as well, such as you can change the actuation point. Exactly. That's really cool, isn't it? So there's a button on here that allows you to change when you want it. You can have it right at the top, right in the middle, or right near the bottom. And I think that's a really cool feature, being able to change when and where the actuation force, so you can kind of simulate where the actuation force, make it kind of like, so you can stop accidental presses. You can make it the dome actuation point lower, but if you're trying to play video games like a first-person shooter, make them tire so you can do that quick strafe left and right. I think that's a really cool feature on this keyboard, but this keyboard does not look like a gaming keyboard. It looks more like an office keyboard. I think that's what they're trying to go for, but of course, unlike regular Topre switches on HHKBs and all that, they actually have Cherry MX compatible tops on them, so you can put your keycap stops on them. So if you want like a more gamer type keyboard keycap look, you're going to be able to do that on this one. Another thing I like to mention is that it's also a lot cheaper than a lot of HHKB keyboards, especially new ones. That's also a very good selling point on this keyboard, which I really enjoy. But compared to a regular an actual real HHKB, compared to a real HHKB, I mean, HHKB is super good quality, build quality, super nice, really light, really like the layout. It's hard to beat an HHKB, but hey, this one comes close. So if I were to pick, if you had to choose between the HHKB and the Niz, I would say if you are tight on money, go for the Niz, just so you can get a feel for what a Topre switch is, and also has a standard layout, which if you've already been typing on keyboards, you're going to be super good with. But if you really splurge and you really want that HHKB name, heck yeah, go for the HHKB. Best typing experience, and I've built a lot of mechanical keyboards, and I've typed on a lot of mechanical keyboards. I've tried a lot of switches, and mechanical keyboards do feel really good, but for a rubber dome, holy moly, this typing experience is phenomenal, and I love it. If you want to see more of my HHKB videos, they're going to be over here. Go ahead and click on that. I got some funny skits there, like the one at the beginning of this video. But those are going to be my deciding factors. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, hit subscribe, and if you want to see more of my stuff, make sure you hit that bell icon. Alright, but yeah. The Niz gives a thumbs up for me. Good try.